All right, good morning. Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning on the 2019 Chaparral 29 bunkhouse. Going to start off with this nice front aerodynamic front cap with the tight turn technology for short beds. Moving around to the side here, you're going to see we've got a nice full electric awning with LED lighting, outdoor speakers, nice large compartment area for storage, easy convenient 110 outlet on the outside here as well as on the inside. So if you want to watch your favorite game out here or NASCAR or whatever you're into, you can easily do that. Going to notice the aluminum step and the full grab handle walking inside. As we enter into the coach, you'll notice a nice coat closet, lots of cabinetry throughout. Large cabinetry, nice fireplace, large Furrion television. You've got a CD, DVD player, which is Bluetooth compatible, and of course that'll play inside and outside the coach. Moving around to the slide out here, we've got a nice couch, very comfortable furniture that also makes into a full bed with a dinette, nice dinette booth. Large island with the stainless steel double bowl sink. Large capacity refrigerator with the stove, oven, and microwave. Great pantry. So you've got a lot of pantry area here. Cabinet doors, lots of cabinet doors, drawers. And moving into the back of the coach, you're going to see we've got a quad bunk in the back. This is really great for families. Set up where you can add a television. You've got USB ports, a nice wardrobe closet right in between the beds, so that the kids have got plenty of room to move around in there and kind of have their own space. So again, this is a great family coach. Moving up into the bathroom area, we've got porcelain sink and porcelain toilet, a nice corner shower, LED lighting throughout the coach. Into the bedroom area, we've got a nice double wardrobe closet. You've got a closet on this side, a nightstand on the other side with USB ports, 110 power. This unit's going to come with 2 air conditioners, a spot to add a television, so if you wanted to add another TV, the mount is already mounted for you. This is, again, it's just a great family unit. This is great if you're going over on the coast or to the desert or the mountains. 4 seasons unit. They take advantage and use the Asdel siding, so it makes the unit much lighter, much more durable with that composite material. Nice mag wheels. And the really cool thing is back here we've got a great entertainment area where you've got a nice barbecue, a beverage refrigerator, a sink, and again, more power back here, which allows you, of course, to run a blender or an additional television in the back, whatever you might want to do. You've got a rack and a ladder. That is a walkable roof with a large capacity water heater. You've got a receiver in the back, so you can add a bike rack or one of those cargo racks in the back. You'll notice all of your plumbing on these coaches is up nice and tight. Moving to the side here, all of your stuff is in one spot. So you've got your hookups, your power, your outdoor shower, your black tank flush, full leveling system, electrical leveling system with a battery disconnect, more television hookups right here. This coach is well equipped and is ready for a family trip. If you have any questions on this unit or any other unit, please feel free to contact me directly at ron.mcgowen@guaranty.com or 541-968-6010. Thanks and have a great day.